Before clothing could stretch, before comfort became an expectation, before knitted fabrics became part of everyday life, there was jersey, not simply a fabric, not merely another textile, but an innovation that quietly transformed how millions of people experienced clothing every single day. Long before factories filled the landscape, before fashion houses defined global trends, the people living on the small island of Jersey faced a very different reality. The English Channel was beautiful, but unforgiving. Strong winds swept across the coastline. Cold sea spray soaked clothing. Fishing boats left before sunrise. Many returned long after sunset. Survival depended on garments that could endure constant movement, moisture, and harsh weather. Heavy woven cloth often restricted motion. It protected the body, but it resisted flexibility. For fishermen who spent countless hours hauling heavy nets and working in cramped wooden boats, freedom of movement mattered just as much as warmth. The solution came through knitting. Unlike woven textiles, knitted fabrics are built from a continuous series of interconnected loops. This seemingly simple structure creates something remarkable. The loops can expand, compress, recover, and move with the human body instead of resisting it. That single structural difference would eventually change the future of clothing. The earliest jersey fabrics were traditionally knitted from wool. Wool offered natural insulation against cold winds while remaining breathable enough to reduce overheating during strenuous work. Even after becoming damp from sea spray or light rain, wool continued trapping warm air close to the body. This unique property made jersey garments invaluable for maritime communities. The fabric soon became closely associated with the island from which it earned its name. Merchants traveling across Europe recognized both its durability and comfort. Over time, the word jersey no longer referred only to a place. It described an entirely new category of knitted fabric. The science behind jersey is surprisingly elegant. Every stitch forms a loop that interlocks with the loops above and below it. These loops distribute stress throughout the fabric instead of concentrating force in one direction. As the wearer bends, reaches, walks, or works, the loops stretch naturally before returning to their original shape. This flexibility reduces strain on seams while increasing overall comfort. Knitted construction also traps countless microscopic pockets of air. Air is an excellent insulator. By holding warm air close to the skin, jersey fabric helps regulate body temperature in both cool and moderate climates. At the same time, small spaces between the loops allow moisture vapor to escape. This combination of insulation and breathability explains why jersey remains comfortable across a wide range of environments. As textile technology advanced during the Industrial Revolution, mechanical knitting machines dramatically increased production. Garments that once required many hours of careful hand knitting could now be produced with greater speed and remarkable consistency. Factories expanded, trade increased, jersey became accessible to far more people than ever before. Yet its greatest transformation came in the early 20th century. For centuries, jersey had been viewed primarily as a practical fabric. Useful, durable, reliable, but rarely luxurious. Then fashion challenged tradition. Designer Coco Chanel recognized something many others overlooked. Comfort itself could be elegant. Instead of forcing women into rigid silhouettes supported by heavy woven fabrics and restrictive corsets, she embraced jersey, soft, fluid, natural. Her designs allowed garments to follow the body's movement rather than constrain it. The decision shocked much of the fashion world. A fabric once associated with workers and undergarments entered the highest levels of couture. It permanently changed modern fashion. Construction techniques also continued evolving. Different yarns created different characteristics. Fine cotton produced lightweight everyday garments. Merino wool added exceptional warmth with reduced bulk. Silk blends introduced luxurious softness and elegant drape. Synthetic fibers improved durability, wrinkle resistance, and moisture management. Today, many jersey fabrics combine natural and engineered fibers to achieve specific performance goals. Athletic wear demands rapid moisture transport. Luxury fashion values softness and graceful movement. Medical textiles require comfort during extended wear. Each variation builds upon the same knitted foundation developed centuries ago. Psychologically, comfort changes behavior. People move differently when clothing does not restrict them. Confidence often grows when garments feel effortless instead of demanding constant adjustment. Researchers studying embodied cognition continue exploring how clothing influences posture, perception, and emotional experience. Jersey quietly supports this relationship. Its softness encourages relaxation. Its flexibility promotes natural movement. Its familiarity creates a subtle sense of security. Across cultures, the fabric became almost invisible through its success. T-shirts, long-sleeve shirts, polo shirts, sweatshirts, dresses, children's clothing, sports uniforms, sleepwear, medical garments, luxury fashion. The list continues almost endlessly. Millions of people wear jersey every day without ever considering its remarkable history. Modern computerized circular knitting machines produce thousands of precisely formed loops every minute. Electronic sensors monitor yarn tension with extraordinary accuracy. Digital systems detect defects before they become visible. Despite these technological advances, the fundamental structure remains almost identical to the simple knitted loops created by skilled hands generations ago. Few inventions remain so faithful to their original design while adapting so successfully to modern manufacturing. The jersey fabric represents more than comfort. It represents quiet innovation, an improvement so practical, so effective, that it gradually became ordinary. Many of history's greatest inventions share this characteristic. They become so deeply integrated into daily life that people eventually stop noticing them. Yet they continue improving life with every use. Every loop reflects centuries of accumulated knowledge. Every garment demonstrates the elegance of simple engineering. Every thread connects traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. Because history is not always written by kings, or monuments, or machines, sometimes it is stitched together, one loop at a time.